Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on Dropbox with the latest update. Whether you want to organize your files better or just keep things neat and tidy, creating a new folder is a simple and quick way to do that. Let's dive right in. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once it's loaded, look for the plus button. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen and stands out because of its bright color. This button is your gateway to adding new stuff like files, photos, and of course, folders. Tap that plus button to get started. After tapping the plus button, you'll see a few options appear. Among them, there's an option labeled Create New Folder. Select that, and you'll be prompted to name your folder. Think about what you want to store in it, or how you'd like to organize your files, then type in a name that makes sense for you. For example, you could name it Work Projects, Vacation Photos, or simply Important Documents. Naming your folder clearly helps you find things quickly later on. Once you've typed your folder's name, the next step is to tap on Create. This final tap generates your new folder inside Dropbox, ready for you to start adding files right away. You'll see your newly created folder appear on your Dropbox home screen or inside whichever folder you were in when you started. And that's it. You've successfully created a brand new folder on Dropbox using the updated method. It's fast, easy, and really helpful for keeping everything well organized. Next time you want to add a bunch of files related to a single project or theme, just make a new folder using these steps. Thanks for watching.